With just 3 settings: filter, density, and preserve luminosity, you can go from basic corrections to cinematic looks in no time. Today we're talking about one of the simplest but super handy effects in After Effects, the photo filter. This effect is designed to mimic those traditional camera filters photographers put in front of their lenses, things like warming or cooling filters. And the best part is, it's a really fast way to change the mood, fix color temperature, or just give your footage a nice stylistic look without doing heavy color grading. You'll find it right here. Effects and presets, color correction, photo filter. What can you do with it? First up, we've got the filter option. This is where you pick the type of filter. After Effects gives you some presets, just like in Photoshop. Warming filters add nice orange and yellow tones. Great for sunsets, cozy vibes, or vintage looks. Cooling filters do the opposite, they add blues, which work perfectly for cold environments, moonlight, or a sci-fi feel. And if you want, you can even pick your own custom color to really dial in the look you're going for. Next up is density. Think of this like the strength or opacity of the filter. At 0, nothing happens. At 100%, the color is really strong and obvious. For most projects, keeping it somewhere around 10 to 30% feels natural. But if you want something bold and stylized, crank it up higher. Then there's Preserve Luminosity, and this checkbox makes a big difference. When it's on, the filter shifts colors but keeps your brightness levels the same. When it's off, the filter acts more like actual glass in front of a lens, so it might darken or lighten your shot. If you're going for a clean correction, keep it on. If you want something more cinematic and realistic, turn it off. The photo filter effect in After Effects is quick, lightweight, and super flexible. With just 3 settings: filter, density, and preserve luminosity, you can go from basic corrections to cinematic looks in no time.